everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making some healthy snack ideas. I decided to make these really simple so that you guys all have the ingredients at home. They're not going to be anything fancy, but just good, simple, easy snacks that you can make at home. I do have a playlist as well, along with a ton more healthy snack ideas, so make sure you check that out. It'll be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to making some delicious snacks. So the first snack we are making are these Zucchini Roll Ups. I'm starting off by slicing some thin strips of zucchini with my vegetable peeler. And zucchini is great because it really helps the body to remove toxins, and it's also loaded with potassium, which really helps to lower blood pressure. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant for the body. So the vegetable peeler allows it to get really nice and thin so that we can roll this zucchini into our little roll-ups. And then I'm going to be mashing up half of an avocado. Avocado is great healthy fats, and the healthy fats in this are really what helps keep you full and also helps to keep your blood sugar stable. So that's what we really want in a healthy snack. We really want healthy fats to keep us full and something to stabilize our blood sugar. So I'm taking a little bit of the avocado and I'm spreading that onto one of my strips of zucchini. And then I'm adding on just a touch of Everything Bagel seasoning. I'll leave a recipe to make your own down below if there's no Trader Joe's near you. You could also just do a pinch of Himalayan salt. And then I'm sprinkling on some pumpkin seeds, which are loaded with zinc, great for your immune system. And they also have manganese, which is great for your heart. And then it's really easy. All you have to do is roll up the little zucchini and you have these little bite-sized roll-ups. They're super easy to make. You can make these for school, for work, or just at home, a really nice quick snack to help your hunger and will help keep your blood sugar stable. Next up, we're making some Cacao Cashews. So I'm starting off by making some paleo chocolate with some coconut oil and some cacao powder. Now the great thing about this is that because we're not heating this up, the antioxidants and everything in the raw cacao powder stay there, and you get all those benefits and all those nutrients in it for you. So then I'm adding in a teaspoon of maple syrup just for a little bit of sweetness. Plus, maple syrup in small amounts is great for your immune system as well. And you kind of stir that together until you get a nice smooth velvety chocolate. Then I'm going to be adding in a cup of raw cashews. Now I love cashews because they help to form your bone and connective tissue, and they also help to eliminate free radicals. You could also do almonds here or your favorite kind of nut. You just need 1 cup of raw nuts. So whatever your favorite nut is, you can substitute that in here. Stir that together with the chocolate, and then I'm just pouring that onto a silicone baking sheet. You could also use parchment paper or wax paper, just something that won't stick so that when they harden, they will be easy to peel off. I'm putting on a pinch of Himalayan salt, which has so many essential minerals in it. And then once they harden, you can pop them in the fridge or you can eat them right away and make a great healthy treat that's also kind of sweet. Next up, we're making these snickerdoodle bites. So I'm using half a cup of almond butter. Again, healthy fats help to keep our blood sugar stable. Plus, nuts are loaded with lots of different minerals in it for you. I'm adding in some coconut flour, which is high in fiber, high in protein, along with some cinnamon, which is great for regulating your blood sugar and also gives it that snickerdoodle flavor. And then a little bit of vanilla, which also has antioxidants in it for you and is great for immune support. So then you just need to stir that all together, and you can substitute the almond butter for a seed butter if you're allergic to nuts. So like a sunflower seed butter would taste really good, or a pumpkin seed butter. And then you just take a little bit and you're going to use the palms of your hand to make little ball shapes and roll them until they are nice and round. And once you're done, you'll have these super easy snickerdoodle bites. There's no fancy ingredients. You probably already have all of this stuff in your pantry, and they make a great on-the-go snack too. Next up, we're making this Bruschetta Toast. So I'm using half of a tomato. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants, and they're also great at helping to keep your blood sugar stable. So I'm just slicing up it into chunks, and then we are going to be cutting it the other way around too. So you want to get the little small square chunks so that they can really sit on top of our toast. And then I'm taking some fresh basil that I actually have from my garden, which is pretty proud, guys, that I've been able to keep this garden alive for the most of the summer so far. So I'm chopping that up, and then I'm taking a slice of sweet potato toast. You guys have seen me make sweet potato toast many times. You just slice it up, pop it in the oven for 25 minutes. So I always have these on hand throughout the week to make little snacks and meals. Putting the tomatoes and the basil on top, super easy, quick snack. And lastly, we're making a green smoothie. So I'm starting off with some kale. Kale is just so nutrient dense, but if you prefer, you can also use spinach here if it's too bitter for you. Half of an avocado, again, those healthy fats to really keep us full. A little bit of ginger, which is great for digestion and immune support. Some parsley, which is a great anti-inflammatory. It's also an antimicrobial. And pouring a little bit of almond milk, again, just to blend that together. And then you have a perfect green smoothie that was easy to make. No fancy superfoods, just stuff that you can get really easily and not fancy at all. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a good old thumbs up and comment down below which snack you would want to make first or which snack you like the best out of this video. If you have any more requests, you can leave them down in the comments below as well. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.